guys, it's your girl Alethea coming back with another video. So the other day I posted a short with this makeup look and I got some compliments on it and some people asked me to do a tutorial. Wasn't that many, but it's okay. I still wanted to recreate the look. So girl, get into this. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this beautiful pink cut crease, then please continue to watch. Alright you guys, so let's do some makeup. So if you see, first of all, we have an uninvited guest that decided to show up yesterday. But I wanted to go ahead and record this video anyway. So if you haven't been checking out my shorts, please go ahead and check out my shorts. So but the first thing I'm going to do, and you guys, I've already carved out the brow. You guys know I like for my brow to look sharp. And I have set my eyes with my laying low paint pot. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking and I am setting my brow. I need to wax my brows, but not today. Y'all, I am getting ready now to go to the microblading course. And so once I get done with this, I'm going to hit the road and go to Atlanta. It's in Atlanta by the airport at a Holiday Inn. So, but this brush right here, I just got these brushes. I went on Beautylish and I ordered some brushes because I got $126 back from using Top Cashback, and I used it to get me some brushes from Beautylish because I took and I decluttered because I had a plethora of brushes that I was not using. So I took and I bought some new brushes and I got rid of the brushes that I was not using, and the brushes that I did buy were similar to some brushes I already have. And yeah, so anyway, so I am going to use the Candy Shop palette. It's the palette that I did use for the look the other day. So in my crease, I'm going to take this color right here and this color right here. And these colors don't have names, but I'm just going to go back and forth between the two. And then this is just going to be up in my crease and kind of upper lid, so to speak. And I'm just going to blend that in with these two colors. Y'all, so I'm trying to figure out, because really and truly I know how to do, so you guys know I know how to do a lot of things. I do my nails, I do hair, I do makeup. I am one of those, I don't know what you would call it. I don't know what you would call it, but I love doing things like that. And I wouldn't call myself a jack of all trades because I don't know how to do everything and I don't know how to do every trade. But when it comes to makeup, things like that, I am an all-around beauty girl. I am just like girly girl. I love all things beauty. And so when it comes to hair, makeup, things like that, it's just like it comes naturally for me. And I'm gonna go back and blend this together, kind of like get any demarcation line by just blending my powder. That's all I use to set it. But anyway, I am one of those girls that all things girly, and so those things usually come natural to me. And I'm very artsy-fartsy, so to speak, I guess you could say, because you guys know I have the other little business with my bestie. So I have an eye for doing things and saying things, but my problem is advertising myself. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to take some of this color by itself and darken in over here in my outer crease. And I don't know why I'm doing this because I'm about to cover it up. But like, I don't know. Get your thoughts together, Alethea. I guess it's just a matter of figuring out how to advertise myself and all that good jazz. And with this, I'm just gonna have to figure it out. We do have this page here that's on Facebook that people use, and it's called Tri-City Beauty. So I think I'm going to kind of advertise myself there once I take the course, and I guess give discounts to people. So as you guys can see, I am cutting my crease And I did use e.l.f. concealer. I don't know which one it was. And I'm taking this cut all the way out to the end. I want it all the way out. And then I'm just going to take this brush right here and I'm just going to kind of blend it. I saw something that someone did on another channel, a cut crease trick that I'm gonna try, but I gotta get the tool to do it. I thought I had one. It's an eyelash curler she used. And I just knew I had an eyelash curler, but I don't know what the freak happened to it. Alright, so I've cut that one. Let me cut this one. Alright, so now that both eyes have been cut, I'm just going to take an eyeshadow brush, and this one right here, I don't know who this is from. I don't know why. It's just a dome eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to take this color, this pink color right here, and I'm just going to put that all over where I cut my crease at. So I told my baby sister, well, my sister that's here, my baby sister that's here, my younger sister that's here, I told her that I'm going to do her brows, and she's gonna let me. Y'all know the one whose locks I show sometimes, and I need to do an update and show you guys where her locks are now. But I told her that she has no choice but to let me do her. So of course she's gonna let me do her. And then one of my besties that's here, I told her and she was like, no. What if I mess up? And I said, I'm not gonna mess up, I got you. So she said no, but okay, so that's fine. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, that I've done that, I'm gonna take this same little brush right here, and I'm gonna take some of the pink by itself, just a little bit of the pink. I'm just gonna kind of go around the edges of it, just around the edges of my crease. Alright, so now that I've done that, I'm going to go back and take this brown color that's by itself, and I'm just going to go back in my edges, around the edges, and just blend all that in. So, like I was saying, I have an issue with advertising, and I don't know, I think my fear with advertising is, what if people don't come? I need to do the advertising, so, you know, I mean, just give me some tips, some ideas. What do you guys think? How should I go about advertising my micro braiding and ombre shading? Now, the next step I didn't do the other day, but I am going to do it today. I'm just going to take a little bit. It's going to take some of this pink. I'm just going to put it on my bottom line, my bottom waterline. Because I am going to add a little bit of mascara over here in the corner, but not all the way down. Just a little bit. And then I'm not putting on any lashes, so I've been putting on my mascara primer. And see, if I didn't have to put my glasses right on, I would put on some lashes, and I can put them on for the sake of the look and snatch them right back off, but I don't want to have to do that. So then I'm going in with the Nabla Major Pleasure Mascara. Nabla Cosmetics. I'm just gonna put this on my lashes, a good little coat. I'm gonna put it a little bit back down here, just in the corner, like I said. And then next, I'm gonna go in with Perversion. then the last one I'm gonna do is the Lash Freak Urban Decay to round out my mascara. Alright, you guys, so I am dressed and we're going to wrap this thing up. So for my lips, I am going to use this lip liner I got from, what is her name? Destiny Godly. So I'm just going to line my lips with this. And then I'm going to use this Dose of Colors, and it is in the color Flirty. This Dose of Colors lipstick, liquid lipstick. Thank you guys so much for coming back to check out another video here on the channel. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And so until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Flip side.